Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create new account in your Brawl Stars game, right? As you can see here, I have opened the game. Now it's really easy. First of all, it will ask you to just complete this section, right? So let me just go here, and once you complete this section really quick, then let me just complete it in just few seconds. Now once you complete the tutorial, it will ask your name, right? So let me just write here anything just for the sake of tutorial. Now here it will ask your age, so let me just confirm my age and click on confirm, then just click on play. Automatically it will load for a few seconds again, and here you have to complete the another tutorial. Now as you can see here, we have completed the tutorial and here they will ask you to play the game, right? But before playing the game, you have to click on the three lines here, and then you have to go to the settings, right? And basically to make an account or to create a new account on the Super Brawl, here you have to use the Supercell ID. So now just go and click on Supercell ID, click on the next, again click on the next, right? If you want to skip all, you can just skip here. As you can see here, new to Supercell ID here, yes, we are new, so we have to click on there. Now click on continue. Now here they will ask your email address, so let me just enter my email address here. Now then once it's done, you have to click on register, and once we are registered, they will send a number into our into our email address, and we have to enter that code. Now here we have to paste the code, so just click and hold, click on paste, then click on submit. As you can see here, your game account is now connected to our Supercell ID. Return to Supercell anytime the in-game menu settings, right? Now we have to click on OK. Now here this is our game ID. Again click on continue. We can choose our everything here, whichever avatar you want. Then you have to just click on continue. As you can see here, we are already into our Super Brawl, and this is how you can just create a new account. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.